Analyzing the torque about the point of contact has many advantages. It simplifies quite a few problems. What I've got here is a demonstration, and I'll show you this live, but I've got a spool. Okay, it could be a spool of thread, but it's only wrapped around the center part of the spool, but this outer disc can also rotate, although the rope is tied around here on this inner cylinder here. So here's the question. Which way will it roll if I pull the string or the rope in all these different directions? I can pull it this way, I can pull it this way, pull it straight up, pull it that way, or I can pull it that way. What you can do is, by analyzing it right here, if I just put the axis of rotation right there, and that is fine because it's not slipping at that point, it will roll, so that point is motionless, hence you can analyze it about that point right there. This will help me figure it out. So let's draw the R's for each one of these things. For this vector over here, here is my R, and R cross F will cause a torque of rotation that way. So it will roll to the right if I pull it from there. Similarly, how about right here? Here's where this one is pulling from. Let's go ahead and draw that R in. So I've got that R and that F. And again, you can see that the perpendicular component, which I'll draw in green, of the force, there's the perpendicular component. It's perpendicular to the radius. That'll also cause it to rotate about that way, so it will also go to the right. How about if I'm pulling it straight up like that? Well, you can still see there's a tiny component perpendicular. See if you can make a prediction as to which way this thing will roll when I pull directly straight up vertically. Well, as you can see, that will also cause it to rotate to the right. Now, what about if I pull it from right there? Now notice this specific force is got a specific aspect to it. Notice the line of action of this force goes directly through that axis of rotation. Go ahead and make a prediction as to what will happen when you pull it right there with that force as indicated. Pulling it right there will not cause it to rotate at all. It will just be dragged. It will not rotate at all. Finally, this one, if you take this last point right there, there's R, here's F. Go ahead and make a prediction as to what will happen when you pull it right there with that force as indicated. It will cause a rotation that away. So that one is the only one that will cause it to rotate to the left.